Today we're going to be working on a 2010. It's a Ford Transit van. The problem we have is that the headlights, they'll be on occasionally, and the customer will be driving along with the vehicle, all of a sudden the headlights go off and they won't come back on. So we're just going to check a few things just to make sure that everything is okay. And well, let's grab some tools and we're going to get started. This is the switch assembly right here we're going to be changing. This one here is actually fairly easy to remove. You would think that you would get in here with the screwdriver and you would pry this plate off and you would remove it. If you thought that, you would actually be wrong. The way you do it is you go in through the opening here where the fuse box panel is, and you'll feel a little clip inside that you push up and down on at the same time, and it pushes right out. I'll show you how that goes there. This is the clips I was just trying to show you inside there. You just push this down and you push this down here at the same time. You push these two together while it's inside the dashboard here, and it pops right out. All right, so let me get a test light, and we're going to test this. I'm going to put you down for 1 second here. We're going to test this switch to make sure it's okay. Actually, you know what? Let me just put you right here so you can watch what I just did. We're going to actually once I took this out and I tapped on it, the headlights came on up in the front here. As you can see, the headlights are now on. And what I did is I just took this box out and tapped on it. I should say took the headlight assembly out and just tapped on it. And now all of a sudden everything is working. So let me unplug this and check the electrical contacts in here. And if all the contacts look okay, we're going to be replacing the switch. Let me just remove that and I'll show you how that goes. To remove the switch, you just basically push in on this little tab here, and you rock it back and forth, and you can pull it out. All the contacts look okay in there, so we're going to try changing this here, being that we took this out and just tapped on it a little bit and the headlights came on. It kind of leads me to believe that this switch is going to be no good, so this looks like it's going to have to be ordered. So let me grab this, place the order for this, and when I get the new switch, we'll come right back. We've got the new switch now, and it's fairly simple to put back in there. You just put your plug back into the top here, and you'll feel it snap in place, which it did. And then to put it back in the car, you just push it in, and you feel it snap right in. And that's it. All right. Put our cover back up underneath the bottom right here, and if all goes well, we should be able to turn on the key and turn on our headlights and the high beams, and everything works exactly as it's supposed to. Alright, thanks for watching. This one was actually fairly easy. I got pretty lucky by tapping on the switch and the light came on. But you never know what you're going to run into. All right? Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.